of your project. Some name.
अच्छा तो पहले हम लोग बना लेंगे देख लेते
Done. Have you all provided this?
हैं
Okay. Next. If you want everyone to see your projects, keep it as public, else keep it as private. Don't select all these things. Don't select all these things. Only thing what you have to do is give the name of your project. Give the name of your project. Give the name of your project. Then let it be private only. Let it be private only. Click on this create project. Got it?
Yep. तो यहाँ बनाने के लिए इसमें जाना
Everyone has created a new project in your repository. Everyone inside the GitLab, have you all created the project, right? Everyone has created. Okay. Now, whatever you are able to see it there, right? Whatever you are able to see in your systems which you have logged in, right? That itself will act as our centralized repository. That whatever you have registered and you have logged in, right? That itself acts as a centralized repository for your centralized repository where you will be able to store your projects, and whenever you make any changes inside that particular project, everything will be tracked by your GitLab. Clear? That location acts as a centralized repository. Now we have a centralized repository over there, and let's start putting our code into the repository. Clear? It's clear for everyone. Let's think this is the first time you are this is a new project. Now what you have to do is you need to create a new project. That project you have to put it into your repository, right? So what we will do is open any of the projects which you have done.
nothing.
You have worked on some Java project, like calculator or something. Open that project. Open the project, any Java project. It's not like you have to open that any Java project or any project is also fine. Everyone has opened the project. Any of the project. If you don't have a project, at least create one TXT. Okay, so enter into this project. Calculator is our name of a project, right? Now enter into this project. Done? Yes. Okay. Before that, we have to do one more. Everyone search this code as git download. Git download. Git download. Git download. Everyone got this git download? Yes, sir. Now enter into this first link. Enter into this first link. Now click on this Windows or whichever the operating system you have it. If Windows people, click on this Mac OS, click on this. Linux or Unix people, you can select. Once you click on this, right? Once you click on this, it will ask you to download the version. Now inside this standalone installer will come. Now, based on the operating system, every month it will be 64-bit itself, or if it's 32-bit, you download that respective bits of your operating system. Click on to this. What it will do is, it will download. It will start downloading the kit. See, if it is getting a warning message, just tell it as keep. That's it. Download it. Search for Git download. Search for Git download. There you will get a first option. Enter into that first option. Based on the operating system you are using it. If you don't know the operating system, throw your laptop. Select the respective operating system. Then enter into that respective things. Next, based on the whichever the bits of operating system has been installed in your system, download that respective. Now, once it is done, you will get. Once it is done, once it is downloaded, you should be able to see this like this. Everyone can see it. Yes. Everyone, it's downloaded. Hey, if we are doing something, I'll wait. If not, I'll keep on doing that.
ये मेरा डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा है क्या हो वन आवर लेफ्ट एक घंटे में
Everyone has downloaded.
भाई कोई मजाक मत कर रहा अरे यार नहीं हो रहा
This weekend, I know you people have to go out soon, so execute it. If not, till I complete it, I'll not. I told you right till Monday morning I don't have any work. I will also say work. See, if we are taking classes, they're not. Only thing free you will get it as water. Other than whatever you want, it is chargeable. Only free thing you will get it as water. For that you have paid fees already. Okay, so double click on that file. Double click on that file. Keep on clicking next till you find a finish. Accept the terms and conditions. Keep on clicking on next till you find a finish.
No, sir.
Completed.
No, no.
Done. Everyone has installed?
Yes, sir.
Open your command prompt at GIT. You should get some options. If it is telling it is not a known command, it is not installed. Open your command prompt. Go to your search box, type CMD. Enter it, then type GIT. If it's telling you it is not a known command, or it's not a command, something you get some error message. No error, then it has been installed. Close the command. Everyone has installed?
Yes, sir.
मेरा किस्मत ही खराब है चलो हो जाएगा प्रोसेस
हो जाए, वो दिक्कत नहीं है। मेरा
ऐसा
हालात
मत बोल जब तक वो होता नहीं है तब तक नहीं बोल सकते ये जल्दी जल्दी हो
Done. Everyone has installed?
Yes, sir.
जल्दी हो जाए तो डाउनलोड होने में क्या कर रही है ये घूमने में क्या
Then why did you open YouTube and see how to open command prompt? Hey, how many people are using Mac OS? Or you people you can discuss among yourself. That is why while buying the laptop, don't go for logo purpose. Think what you are capable of doing based on
बोलो, क्या लग रहा है इसमें?
already it is 3:35. It's almost, what does it do? 3:30, 4:30. 3:30, right? Still we have not started anything. It goes till 7-8 o'clock.
हाँ
Then you have to say, all your meeting.
लॉन्च होने का भी काम किया
अरे ऊपर करो ना फिनिश करो बस
अरे वो पूछ रहा था कि रिफ्रेश करना है
हो गया
ठीक है क्या
जल्दी से मतलब हो गया
हाँ
Right click, go to that project folder. Go to that project folder. The project which you have, go to that project folder. Open your Chrome. There will be right three dots. Click on it. Then you click on the settings. Then you will find out the cookies over there. Clear the cookies, cache, whatever it is there. Everything is fine. Everyone has entered into your project?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So right click on that location, right click inside that folder. If you scroll down, you can see something called as Git bash. Similar to your command prompt, Git provides their own command.
Git bash
Huh? Yes, sir. Okay, click on this Git bash. Everyone has got into this location.
yes
ये रजिस्टर नहीं हुआ इसलिए हमारे नहीं आया होगा
क्या
रजिस्टर नहीं किया ना उसमें अभी तक
इसमें
साइन अप हुआ मेरा अभी तक
अच्छा तुम्हारा बोल रहे हो तो ये वाला तो तुम भी कर सकते हो ये प्रोसेस
ये तो कर लिया नहीं हुआ
अरे गिट इज नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज उसके में भी आया था हमको ना कुछ एरर नहीं दिया मतलब हो गया
Yes, okay. Now look here.
सेम प्रोसेस है ना पता चल जाएगा नहीं होगा
See, right now, the first time we are doing, let's say, this is our project. Now, this project itself, we call it as a working copy. Whatever the calculator or the Java project you have it, right? This itself, we call it as a working copy. Now, this working copy, what we have to do is, we have one of our centralized repository, that is, we have created under this, that is HMS or something. This is our centralized repository, and we have our working copy over here. We have our working copy inside our system, which is nothing but our Java project. Now, what you have to do is, you need to tell the GitHub to first is create a local repository. Now, after creating that local repository for this working copy, what we have to do is, we have to link this local repository to your centralized repository. Now, after linking your local repository to the central repository, you can perform your operations, that is push pull operation, committing the code into the local repository, getting the code from the local repository. Clear? Yes. Everyone got it, right? Whatever the Java project you have it in your system, right? That itself you call it as a working copy. Now that working copy, what we have to do is we have to put it into the repository for the first time. Now what we have to do it for it, we need to tell Git, since we are using distributed version control system, we are going to inform the Git to create one of the local repository. Now after creating that local repository, we have to link this local repository to this centralized repository. Clear? Yes, sir. It's clear for everyone. Now whatever the commands we are going to execute, open Notepad++ and keep that commands over. Notepad++. You don't know Notepad? Notepad++. Here. Download it.
डाउनलोड
क्या है यार नोट पर
Download this Notepad++.
which version
Notepad++ will have a in-memory concept, and you can run your Java code, you can run your HTML code, everything is there inside. You will get that means it provides lot of extension over there. Download Notepad++. Any version you install it.
जीपीजी सिग्नेचर कौन सा जीपीजी सिग्नेचर जी
Download it. After downloading, install it. Download it. Install it. Everyone is able to download, right? Is there anyone who is not able? How many things you have downloaded? Install. Now open that Notepad. This itself is your Notepad.
ये क्या है
भाई बड़ा अजीब लगा इसके वास्ते ऐसा पड़ेगा